I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to lock your Spectrum Mobile card for security reasons, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Spectrum Mobile app. Launch the Spectrum Mobile app on your smartphone. This is where you'll manage your account settings. Step 2. Sign into your account. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker and update your password if needed. Step 3. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, find and tap on the account or settings option in the menu. This is where you can manage your card settings. Step 4. Locate card lock feature. Look for the lock card feature within the account settings. This may be under a security or payment section. Step 5. Confirm card lock. After selecting the lock option, confirm your choice when prompted. This will immediately lock your card to prevent unauthorized use. If you accidentally lock your card, you can unlock it using the same steps. Just remember to check your notifications for any updates regarding your account status. I hope this helps you secure your card easily.